Hey everyone, welcome to Viper Editing Hub. In this video, I'll show you how to create this football CC effect in CapCut. So let's start. Now select the first clip and go to the adjustment. Then copy my effects. Click on Apply to All to apply the adjustment in all the clips. Now go to the HSL tab and copy mine. Click on Apply to All. Overlap this image in the whole video and change the blend mode to overlay. I'll give the overlay in the description box below. Now head over to the filters and search for Green Lake filter. Apply this in the whole video. Decrease the intensity to 34. Now create a text layer and write I. Increase the font size to the higher. Then create a compound clip and scale it to cover the whole frame. Double-click on the compound clip and go to the animation panel. Then, in the loop panel, search for flash animation. Decrease the time to 0.1 seconds. Now go back and decrease the opacity of the compound clip. And that's it. You have created this double C effect. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment. CC done to get more effects like this. Meet you in the next video.